Hi everybody, I am Tracy Wallace, the editor-in-chief at ecommerce and founder of Door Sleep, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to start an online business. Working over at ecommerce, I run their blog and all of their content. I interview hundreds of e-commerce owners and executives every single year to figure out how to advise people just like you on how to grow their online businesses, or in this case, how to start one. My most recent project is starting Door Sleep, which is a direct-to-consumer online brand, and the way that I started it was by walking through all of the steps that I'm going to walk you through today so that you can also start your own brand. We have broken this course down into 5 simple steps, beginning with figuring out your product niche, understanding market viability for that product, doing competitive research, figuring out what your options are in setting up a store, and then how to make that store profitable. My biggest hope for all of you watching that you get out of this course is confidence. Confidence in your business idea and in your brand to be as competitive as you possibly can be, and confidence is a really key part of that.